Mama wakwaba wafreme Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo nanse nye wa ha na oman pani dada mahama ebe ka kire yen se. Nyame ya adom na 2024 ye san ema no akwenya na 2025 almost when in as president obesre Ghana for see ema ne time na onko honeymoon embra minim so man penda da John Dramani mahama obeye wedding no so ne Ghana ebeware o ye ntime gire NDC fo mona mo sinde Ghana ejadem yehye Ghana baabia say 6 o'clock e say woda because security nye NDC fo na worker power war painting sema worker ne e bi nsi Ghana hada amanfo ntumi ndidi 2 times a day obu odidi baako Ghana yeti NDC fo amo se Ghana ahokyera ba mutumi didi a ebi so mon girlfriend so mon girlfriend 3 4 5 ebi so won so mo ntumi didi mutumi eto fuel eto diesel egu mon kasim ekochele so mo ntumi mu didi e wo Ghana hanom odwo kura won ti ase propaganda nkwa no mo ye e na Ghana fo bi nso ato mo o man pende da John Dramani Mahama wo se yehye e ba ne say na wo ba ye ma breathing space na fa koye on ya ma na san so bra back and so ba na ye wu it is a wo se ye wu mo ana mo se ye wu na se mo ba ba je ndi a ene na wo ba in terms so because sika di Ghana nka wo pro hu kukuku se wo ba woni mi se sika wo Ghana a wo ba wo benya bi abu o man nti na wo ba nti se say breathing space and na say woni mu na ye fama no kwakoye den how many years how many months no man penda da den sem we betu dwa no e na owura miracle aboaje abema no reply I was just man penda da John Dramani Mahama na kasa no onim ne left from the right amembu no on to me dada no ba be dada ye hinti nsem a owura miracle aboaje e de e reply no
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wakasa say 2025 oman toaba e de man no be president a enka Ghana for madawroma ene mu MP before so a wo ba betumu no mo ma ne honeymoon na kakra na onfa nto ne bo asen hihye ne ma ne ko de we amosia say ne ma no ano odin nse be ogi ne say
o oni say de bia no no kasa ne yeka former President John Mahama, I keep insisting, and I keep telling your listeners, you know, say, "Oh, man, that John Dramani Mahama, only ideas, any plans to be Emma the development and the progress of Ghana." The ETA say, when we say the one window of opportunity be with respect to the obvious challenges in an aspect of our development as a country, which is the recent past years global economic crisis. Ghana, yes, so yeah, pray and so basically all he's seeking to do is say, all around that, he's only reiterating and answer, he's rehashing the obvious difficulties and challenges are buying. And Ghana for aware, and then on that basis, ride on the emotions of the people. Now, or the baby do mind in him. But say on one casapa, between I say, on my way, and how about quite a woman ye went free when they say, exchange rate in San Semono 2022. A Dane Kakra, Emma Hunsen by a basa, into me bar. See, I'm doing talk with you. Now, between me making sure say, exchange rate in some seminal, a day years since in city, and then no, say na MPP for a year, but me sure the omoya na media no me see me the better quite ways to me. This is no better than omodia no. When you say what is it with this uncle on that, and see me, I'm not surprised. Say, the more all campaign no, the more. Na dream ponanka sanka de wona come manga sanka no AP fila no so I say yes bro from you say bibisa the abundance of heart to say the abundance of the heart no ne piefi wano.
Ade ashe akomemu ne piefi ano.
Because you see, Bakwame, on my year in we've had a very difficult economic challenges, just as the United States, just as the UK, just as Germany, just as all countries in the world have had, and we are recovering. The strategies are to recover. In the year 2022 or so, UK, within 6 months, no Master Prime Minister is there 3 times or thereabouts. And I mean, they've had a lot of economic reforms trying to recover and gain where it is that they were pre-COVID and pre-Russia-Ukraine. Sana mainbia yeno. And it's a one now so about the say hobos. Yen to Abamon. Na say untumi nkan say say me ba seni na me nemo wo ka say say wo di kan kra say asay kokko e ka de say aboye kokko say wo no wo di tu mu say oha na da won wo ni hu ni ya no nemo wo ba ye ma wani mun kakra na fa call round na only ye fan to adwen nanya solution for my year. Then what are you coming to do? Then why should we vote for you? Why should we make you the president of the republic? And the Argentina, the no one to see and the one person of money honeymoon. Yet so between 2017 and 2020, almost every single economic indicator was improved. Way improved beyond what we met in 2017. Then out of nowhere, nobody anticipated, we encountered COVID. And I recover from COVID, global supply chain frustration, disruption from the Russia-Ukraine war. Yeah, yen deserve honeymoon. Yen deserve a breathing space. They are resolving challenges. Obiaji to me say, "Isia ya kwentifi." Nemo wo de, wo no onka he, won try yen kwan abefa so obeyi efi ha onim. Wo de an say yen toma na wo ba, yema wo space, yema wo mre any honeymoon. Na foko round, na beji agente free ho. Na fa beti chiro man no. Senior, I keep telling you, say, hey, and I'm sure the Ghanaians will listen. This is the first time we are experiencing the NDC in this manner. In the year 2008, say you. When we had global economic crunch, Wall Street situation in 2008, I had a crisis by President Akufo Kakrano. Say the NDC for a they never professed a single solution. All they did was to ride on the obvious challenges, and break the emotions of the people to get into power. They couldn't fix any of the issues or the challenges they claimed they were. Rather, they even worsened it. Into by the time of 2016, they West. And that's exactly what former President John Mahama is telling Ghanaians. Only solution. Or the idea. In fact, he doesn't even appreciate the situation we find ourselves in. Nemo, yantomano, no ba, yaman acquiring on to the boss and no appreciate the situation. No need a bedding como and say when your solution. Yes, say, oh, yeah, but I mean, who did tell me be fee? Say, Obiso Bema on Toma. So, what's the question of Bema on Toma? Kennedy, Anamboa. What's the question of Bema on Toma, Kennedy? Nipana ose o kache say o ye Messiah. Now say o see is the salvation for the people.